there skincare enthusiasts, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about retinol. In this video we'll be talking about what retinol is, how you can use it, what are the benefits of using retinol, and also how to incorporate it into your skincare routine. So let's just get started. First things first, what is retinol? Retinol is a powerful derivative of vitamin A, and it can really help increase cell turnover and stimulate collagen production. Stimulating cell turnover means that it is bringing new cells to the surface a lot faster, and collagen production helps improve the overall appearance of your skin, making it look firm and plump. Now let's talk about the incredible benefits of using a retinol. First of all, it helps with reducing signs of aging. You can incorporate retinol into your routine as early as your mid-20s to maintain a smooth and youthful complexion. It helps slow down the appearance of fine lines or wrinkles that may appear prematurely and keeps your skin looking really youthful. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, which can lead to sagging and a loss of elasticity in your skin. This is what gives rise to the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and also your skin might look a little dull and tired. But with retinol, you can stimulate collagen production, which leads to firmer, more plump looking skin, and you can help your skin retain its elasticity. If you are someone with acne-prone skin, then retinol can provide a lot of benefits for you. Since it helps improve skin cell turnover, it does bring any acne that's buried deep within to the surface a lot faster, and you cycle through the acne breakout as well. It does help over time, and you have to give it a little bit of time to work on your skin, but you will notice that it helps reduce any recurring acne breakouts. So how do you actually incorporate retinol into your routine? We recommend that you start with a low strength retinol and also slowly increase the usage. If you are a beginner or if you have sensitive skin, then something like the COSRX Retinol 0.1 cream is the perfect addition for you. You can start by taking a little bit at a time and use it only at night and in the areas you require. Start by using it once a week and then slowly reduce the gap between the days you use retinol, and then you can increase it as per your requirement. Make sure to apply it only at night, as retinol can increase your sensitivity to the sun. By using it at night, you ensure that you have the entire night for the product to act on your skin. And make sure you do use a sunscreen in the day, because your skin will be more sensitive to sunlight. So if you are a beginner, you should definitely give the Retinol 0.1 cream a try, and if you are an advanced user or have used some form of retinol before, then you can check out COSRX's Retinol 0.5 oil, which is a slightly more advanced step. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this super simple video all about retinol, and if you have any questions about what it should do, how you can use it, what kind of skincare products you should use along with it, feel free to ask us in the comments. And if you want to see a good skincare routine that you can follow while on retinol, then click on the video linked above. See you next time.